this video, we will take a closer look at the various lighting settings. ZBrush provides us with the ability to effectively stage our object for a quick presentation. To achieve this, we will examine the lighting palette above. It offers us up to 8 light sources, as well as modifiers for adjustments. By default, only one light source is activated. With a simple click on the light icon, we can toggle the light source on or off. To change the angle of incidence, we click on the sphere here and then carefully drag the light source to the preferred desired angle. To accurately position the light behind our object, hold down the Control key and click directly at the center of the sphere. We can reverse the process in the same manner. Down here, we can adjust both the intensity and the color of the light source. Certainly, we can easily add an extra light source that features the same adjustment parameters that we had before. In the light properties, we can also enable shadows. And if necessary, fine-tune the intensity of the light source using a curve. We can also easily use an image for lighting purposes by loading a picture into the background within the lighting settings palette. To transfer the lighting conditions from the image to our 3D object, we click on the Light Caps button. Here we observe the number of light sources created based on our image. If we increase the samples in the background settings, then more light sources will be displayed in the Light Caps palette. We can now easily fine-tune each individual light source by clicking on one of the points. And we can also easily modify this one down here. Alternatively, we could begin by creating the light caps first and then converting them into an image. We achieve this by clicking on Create Environment. For models with multiple materials assigned, we can also adjust the materials to match the light in the materials palette. When we are pleased with our lighting settings, we will proceed to render the scene. In the next video, we will explore the render settings.